I said someday I would make a little video about my little truck collection I got here. You know, some of you have seen my album, my model truck collection, but I figured I'd do like a little video of it. Yeah, some of them, I have a lot of them. Some of them are in boxes, some of them are just all around. Right here's a little shelf thing I found, and it's where I put a lot of them. I would consider I have one of the biggest model truck collections around. And here's some in the box I just recently got from a friend named Ray Fisher. Up here some more. Yeah, I've been pretty much collecting them all ever since I was like 5 years old. Got them from here and there. Got them from friends and antique stores and truck stops, and resale shops. Just wherever I've found them. Walmart, Farm Fleet, Brooking. That's where I found a lot of them. For the die-cast ones, I mean, some of them, like if they say, like this one right here, I found it at Farm Fleet. But other ones, I either found at antique stores or resale shops or truck stops, or I bought them from friends. But yeah, I just figured I'd get around to this. I know I know how some of them are, a lot of them are just on top of each other. I wish I had some more room to display them all, but one of these days I'll get to that point. One of these days I'll get to that point to display them all. Got a bunch of little matchboxes back here. Got some bigger ones up here. Some model kits I put together. Some more over here. Just kind of give you like a little guys a little view of what my model truck collection looks like. There's some more up here. And a whole little row of them over here. And keep adding to it every day I get a chance to. I keep adding to it. This isn't all of them. I know up there at the top bunk, like up here, as you guys can see, there's a lot of them on top of each other and behind each other. So you can't really see all of them, and I know one of these days I'll get them all displayed somehow when I get my own place. Get them all displayed somehow to where you can see each individual one. And this is my old room, actually, to where pretty much most of them are. I'll go into my new room and show you what I have in there. Here's my new room. Got a little truck right there, firewall thing. I got some down here under this paperwork. Got a bin of matchboxes here. Here's some recent ones I just picked up. couple of them came from Antique Store. All the ones right here in the middle are new Matchbox ones I just picked up at Walmart and one at Rural King. This roll right here is some more I found in an Antique Store. Over here, I got 2 remote controlled semis. Up there, I got my 4 truck puzzles. Down here, I got some more semis. Decker one. Here's an Ashley. Casey's one. Here's a Lone Star. And this one is a Penjoy one. I got pictures of the Penjoy one. I got pretty much pictures of all of them in that model truck collection, so feel free to look in that collection for the pictures of them. Over here, my bookshelf, mostly Matchbox ones. Got a couple 1/64 scale die cast ones right there. Some more Matchbox ones. Hot Wheels. HL scale. Got some more right here behind my TV. Here's another shelf of them. Matchbox, Hot Wheels, 1/64 die cast. Little HL scale ones. Same here, there's ones not by each other where you can't see all of them. But one of these days, have them all displayed somehow to where you can see all of them. Got some little micro machines there. Down there you got a Big Mac Vision, remote controlled one. So yeah, that's pretty much my collection from what you guys can see of it. I mean, I got a lot of them that, like I said, are either on top of each other or here's a couple flags I got, trucks. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much what you guys can see of my collection. I mean, for the space I have, I tried the best to display all of them that I could for the best that you can see of them. Like I said, a lot of them are still kept in the original package. And like I said, a lot of these that are down here, I got pictures in the album for you guys to see of them. So yeah, that pretty much wraps this video up. And just a little introduction of my model truck collection. Yeah, it grows every day, so just keep checking back at that my model truck collection album to see if any new pictures show up, and those new pictures would be ones I just recently added to my collection. Like I said, I get my own place. Gonna have all these displayed somehow. It's where all of them displayed somehow to where you guys can see in each individual one that I have in my collection. I hope you enjoyed this video so far. And like I said, it grows every day that I get a chance to add to it. So yeah, watching back for that My Model Truck collection to see new pictures. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment on this video, like how long did it take me to get all these and where I found most of them, etc. I really appreciate your comments and hope you like this video. Thank you.